Hey, mock trial. Welcome to the 2020 school year. It's going to be real different, but I think it's going to be super exciting for us. As you guys already know, our first tournament's already set. Going to be online at Yale. Teams are set, and I hope we're moving forward. A couple of things before we have class on Tuesday. We are Tuesday 2B. Ms. McGinnis and Ms. Wainwright and I are getting notebooks prepared for you guys for the case, and we'll have them available for you guys to pick up next week. So do binders. We got lots of money. Let's go spend it. All right, a couple of things before we get going on Tuesday, right? Go to Blackboard. Of course, mine looks a little different than yours because mine's a teacher one, right? And go to mock trial, right? I have said, look at all those cool people. Right? This is our goal, guys. We want another picture just like that. All right, go over here to the e-learning tab. All right, a couple of things that I have set up for you guys, and certainly there's more to come. First of all, the mock trial Zoom link, right? We will have one Zoom link for the entire semester. So it's not going to be looking through the email to figure out where it is. It's always going to be here. You just click on that. It's going to take you right to it. So you're never going to have to lose it. So always go to e-learning, click on for mock trial. A little bit of homework that I have you guys to do are these Zoom guidelines. Let's kind of clean up our act a little bit. We're a little too casual in our Zoom, so we're going to clean it up a little bit. So look at the guidelines. Please read that before Tuesday, and then we will go over it in class. And then we'll have lots of fun things to do in class to get this thing set up and get it rolling. If you haven't looked yet at the reopening documents that are located on the BL website, go to About, and then scroll down to Reopening COVID. You will see that this is the schedule for Monday. So you have a schedule for Monday, Thursday, a schedule for Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. We are second period 2B, so on Mondays and Thursdays we'll start at 9:15. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday we will start at 9:22. All right, so you guys have that. I'd print this out. I've got it printed out sitting on my desk. So I'd have that printed out next to you so you guys know what your schedule is. Other than that, if you got any questions, please go ahead and email me. Otherwise, I will see you guys on Tuesday, and y'all have a great weekend.